We head to the track where uncertainty still surrounds the final point standings for second place in the girls section at the recent Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletic Championships held at the National Stadium. 10-time champions Homewood Technical are now awaiting the outcome of an appeal filed with the Intersecondary Schools Sports Association Issa on Monday.
At the heart of the matter is the overall point standings for the girls section at the 5-day championships, which ended on Saturday night inside the National Stadium. The final tally initially had Edwin Allen topping the table on 326 points, ahead of Homewood Technical 287 and Hydel 277. This resulted from Hydel's disqualification from a handover infringement on the third leg of the girls' mile relay, which they had initially won. However, news emerged late Saturday night into Sunday morning that Hydel had been reinstated, which meant they would have surpassed Homewood to now claim second overall on 289 points, 2 more than Homewood Technical. Issa's competitions officer is George Forbes.
On Saturday night after 11, we got correspondence to the effect that they would have been reinstated. The principal of Homewood Technical now is alleging that only 2 jurors were part of the panel, and they must have at least 3 jurors.
Homewood's principal, Hydran Mikulski, still has a few questions he wants to be answered sooner rather than later.
If it is that the appeal was made within the 30 minutes period, why was there not an announcement on Saturday night stating this new position, or why was Homewood at no point contacted to state that and provided with information that such an action will be taken or would have taken, right? We must give them the chance to see the evidence that would overturn the judge's decision of disqualification.
Forbes says a probe is now underway to determine if the jury of appeal which heard the matter on Saturday night had less than the required minimum quota.
We are investigating, and if that is proven to be true, well, we'll have to take further steps and have the jury re-panel with a view of making a decision. But if that is true, it is indictment on the whole system, because without a minimum of 3 jurors, no decision could be effective.
In the meantime, the Homewood principal is calling for certain officials who presided over the controversy to be held accountable.
The judges who signed, or the referees, the track umpires, all of those persons who signed this document, they need to be called in to defend their decision. I don't understand how it is that all of these persons could make such a decision and adjustment be made without consulting them or without the use of video evidence, right? It is just, we consider it to be very unfair.
The matter is now in the hands of the jury of appeal which officiated at the 5-day championships. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sport.